Hello guys, welcome to again iTechHub YouTube channel and my name is Dhruvin. So guys, in this video I will show you how to hide all the Facebook photos in once in your iPhone and Android device. Lot of Facebook user has been reporting to how to hide all the Facebook photos once in your iPhone and Android device. Now the Facebook users question is what to do for this hide all the photos. So guys, before the starting video, please make sure you subscribe my channel, like, comment and share, and also press the bell icon for the more informative video about iPhone and Android device. Now first, one important thing is strong Wi-Fi and mobile data to connect your iPhone and Android device. Once the connected, now latest versions to update your Facebook application. Once the Facebook application is updated, now open it. Facebook applications open. After you can see also right hand side 3 lines. So guys, please make sure tap on it and scroll down. Now the last option is settings and privacy. Now please make sure tap on it and select the settings option. In the settings sections, now again scroll down. After you can see also profile and tagging option available. Now please make sure tap on it. In profile and tagging sections, now scroll down and select the tagging option. Now find out the who can see post you have tagging in your profile. Find out after tap on it, and last option is see more. Now again tap on the me only. These settings turn on after you can easily hide all the Facebook photos once in your iPhone and Android device. These settings too you can easily hide all the Facebook post, timelines and also videos in your iPhone and Android device. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. If you any query about that, so please DM on my Instagram and also comment on this video comment sections. I will try to fix your problem as soon as. Thank you so much.